Today I want to paint a super cozy autumn landscape. I want to paint it in a large format, so a large canvas. I haven't worked in large format in a while, so I'm excited to do that. And on the scale of very realistic to very expressive, I don't have any preconceived idea of what result I want to achieve. All I know is I want it to be super chilled. I don't want to force anything and kind of let it come the way it comes, whatever it looks like, that's what it is. You know how sometimes you crave comfort food and you just want to feel like warm and fuzzy and relaxed? That's how I'm feeling right now when it comes to painting. I hope this sounds good. I'm gonna do it vlog style, so not a lot of talking, a lot of painting. You can grab yourself a nice cup of tea to feel as cozy as me. And I'm gonna start painting now.
Everything's fading away, but it's alright, it's alright, always. Everyone's going away, you're right here, right now, You've been far from home for so long. You haven't felt this warmth in so long. You only want to break free. You only want to get out, look at the stars. For all you know, and close your eyes, wake up and drown your sorrow. The ocean swallows you whole under water, quiet. Breathe in the cold and the wind, slowly rocking, You've been far from home for so long. You haven't felt this warmth in so You only want to break free. You only want to get out, look at the stars. For all you know, and close your eyes, wake up and drown your
Right now, I'm at a crossroads with the painting. I'm not sure what to do. Initially, my plan was to have, well, let me show you. This is the reference photo. I wanted a cozy autumn landscape. It's getting there, but I had a plan to have a lot of colors in the trees here. So what I have right now is a very minimalistic black tree line, which gives an interesting feel to the painting. I like the minimalism that it has right now, and it also frames the foreground in a nice way. It gives like a quiet, dreamy feeling to me, and I'm kind of wanting to scrap my initial idea. I wanted to put a bunch of red, yellow, orange trees here, all those taller trees. So it would be tall trees around here, bright reds, orange and yellow. Not sure what to do. I'm not sure what to do. And in cases like this, I'm gonna take the opportunity to show you what I do. I use cling film. I tape it in a specific area and I paint over it like a super rough version, basically blobs of color, to see if the composition would be enhanced or if it would just distract from what I have. That's what I'm gonna do. Just put cling film and a bunch of blobs and kind of decide there. Hopefully it won't be a hard decision. I don't know. It was a really tough decision. I didn't know what to do. I know I could have made it work with a colorful tree line, and because I would have made it a little bit less bold than what you saw on the cling film, but I decided against it. I liked how the tree line framed the foreground. Instead of putting a bunch of colors on the tree line, I decided to put a few puffs of color at the bottom of the hay bales. Nothing too bold, but I feel like it's just enough to give kind of like a focal point and a bit of light. I don't know, is this still a cozy autumn landscape? I feel like it could be, like end of summer, beginning of autumn. Let me know in the comments if you think I should have put the colorful tree line. I'm confused. If you want more inspiration, here's another one right here, and I will see you in just a few days for another one. Thanks for watching. Bye. Also, look at my fingers. Oh my God, and look at this mess. Gotta clean up.